Xojo operates by using a set of graphical controls that we apply to our layout editor, or is more commonly known as the window. We tie this together with a modern object-oriented programming language. Xojo also incorporates an integrated debugger and a multi-platform compiler. Together, they make up the Xojo Integrated Development Environment, or IDE. In these lectures, we will learn to use the IDE to build your application's interface by dragging and dropping objects onto the application's window and using the Xojo programming language to code each of these objects. To launch Xojo, click on the Xojo icon. This start page appears. Choose Desktop to start a desktop project. Enter a name for your application name. You can leave the other two fields blank. Click the Create button to start. The Xojo IDE. The IDE is the main window in Xojo where we will design and build our applications. The navigator shows all the items in your project, like windows, menus, pictures, sounds, and more. Click on items in this list to edit them. The layout editor is like our canvas. It contains all the items in your project, like windows, menus, pictures, sounds, and more. The library contains all the controls and other widgets, such as buttons, text boxes, and more, that we can drag to our layout to create our user interface. The inspector allows us to change the properties of the various controls we add to the layout editor. These include properties such as width, height, background color, etc. Let's start by changing the caption property of our window. At this stage, we are now in run mode, but as we click each button, nothing happens. We have now finished our first Xojo program. Well done if you stayed until the end. In the next lesson, we will go into more detail about what we just did. Stay tuned.